In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit availability on Fresha, the comprehensive 2025 guide. This process is really straightforward and will help ensure that your booking system runs smoothly, making it convenient for both you and your clients. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Fresha either by visiting Fresha.com or by launching the Fresha app on your device. Once you're on the platform, you'll be prompted to log in. So, go ahead and enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. It's crucial to ensure that you're logged in as a business owner or a staff manager, not as a client. This is because you'll need administrative access to make changes to staff availability settings. Once you're into the dashboard, you'll notice a menu with various options. Here, you'll click on the settings, which is represented by the gear icon, to continue. From here, depending on your interface version, you'll select either staff and availability or just availability. In this section, you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of your staff members along with their current working schedules. Now, to make edits to an individual schedule, click on the specific staff member's name whose availability you need to change. This action opens up a weekly calendar filled with time slots. If you're looking to add new hours or make adjustments, click on Add Hours or Edit. Next to the day that requires changes, go ahead and set the start and end time for each particular day according to your needs. For any day that the staff member won't be available, you can either leave the time slot blank or simply toggle the closed option. For days that might require multiple shifts or have breaks, click on Add Time Slot. This allows you to specify the initial shift and then add any necessary breaks or additional shifts. Make sure to repeat this process for all relevant days across the week to ensure accuracy and coverage. Once the availability is in place, let's shift gears to the service settings. Navigate to Services and then into Service Settings. You'll select the specific service and click on Edit. Here you have the flexibility to assign which staff members are available for a particular service. It's vital to ensure these service times align with your staff availability to prevent any booking overlaps or conflicts. After you've set everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click on Save or Update. What you'll love about Fresha is that any adjustments made are instantly reflected on the client booking page. This means your clients will always see the most up-to-date availability, helping you maintain a streamlined and professional operation. And that's it. You've successfully edited staff availability in Fresha. Following these guided steps ensures that your business better meets the demands of scheduling, offering clients seamless booking experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.